Yes. Hi everyone, I am SS Kiran. I am dealing course is electronic devices and circuits. Okay, in this course, I would like to discuss about problems on diode. Okay, let's start with the first problem. Calculate the diode current, comma, the voltage across a silicon diode at room temperature 300 kelvins means 27 degrees Celsius is 0.7 volts when 2 milliampere current flow through it, right? If the voltage is increased to 0.75 volts, what is the new diode current value? Okay, let us take first you have to write a solution. So here VT value is given 26 millivolts at room temperature. Now the current equation, diode current equation, ID equal to what is called ID equal to I naught into e to the power of V by eta VT. Okay, V means diode voltage, eta means ideality factor eta for silicon 2, germanium for 1 minus 1. This can be treated as a original expression, right? Now by helping of this expression I will generate another two expressions. Okay, the next expression, if id equal to 2 milliamperes, so 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3, so I naught is as it is, I will substitute. So e to the power of V is, for first equation I have written 0.7, okay, by eta value 2 into VT 26 millivolts means 0.026 volts, or else you can write 26 into 10 to the power of minus 3, okay, minus 3. Now you can write as it is minus 1. Now, the second expression that can be treated as a ID1, or you can write simply ID. Okay, ID1 equal to, I have write I naught, right? E to the power of increase it to 0.75. So 0.75 by 2 into 10 to the power of, okay, 1 second, eta ideality factor, then 26 into 10 to the power of minus 3, then whole minus 1. This all comes under into the exponential form. This minus 1 whole of this expression, right? This can be treated as a expression 1. This can be treated as a expression 2. Now I will do small mathematical part. So 1 by 2 equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 by, okay, I will write ID1 equal to I naught by I naught. I will write entire expression e to the power of 0.7, okay, e to the power of 0.7 into by 2 into 0.026 minus 1. This is one expression. So e to the power of 0.7 by 2 into 0.75, this one, 0.026 minus 1. Okay, then now I naught get cancelled. Now doing some mathematical calculations by using Cal-C, we can expect the following current of ID1. Okay, ID1, so ID new current, if increase it to 0.75 volts, that ID1 equal to 5.2 milliamperes current. Okay, the original current is 2 milliamperes. One, if it is increased to 0.75, the new diode current is 5.2 milliamperes. Okay, let's go with the next problem. Right, what is the maximum and minimum current flowing through the Zener diode? So this is the Zener diode, can be treated as a IZ. This is the load that can be treated as a IL. This is the actual current. Okay. Now what happened? Here there is a small logic is there. So I means here this is node, sum of the entering currents is equal to sum of the leaving currents. For example, so I equal to, I will write one KCL equation. Okay, sum of the entering currents I equal to IZ plus IL. Okay. For example, if it is I have taken minimum value, so here I will write I min equal to IZ min plus IL, right, as it is. For example, I is maximum, so I max equal to IZ max plus IL, right? These are two expressions are very, very essential to solve exact maximum and minimum current flow through GNR diode. So through GNR means ISZ min, maximum means ISZ maximum. Anyway, so let's start with solution. Already I have done little bit part about the solution part. I would like to write one loop equation. So this is minus 2 plus, this is plus and minus, this is plus and minus. I will write one loop equation. I have replaced with this equation with this voltage potential, that is 50 volts. Okay, so this is the 50 volts, right? Just if I redraw this diagram is very, very easy. Okay, for example, here I have considered minimum current. Okay, if I considered minimum, so here I will consider only minimum value. Okay, minimum value means 85 volts. Resistance is as it is, resistance is as it is. Now this GNR diode is replaced with voltage regulator, that is 50 volts. Okay, plus minus, this plus is entering to this side, plus minus, then this is as it is 10k. I have substituted like this. Okay, this is 10k, this is the 5k. Okay, now here I will write one loop equation. Okay, so minus plus, plus minus, plus minus. So what is the expression? Is very, very simple expression. Minus 2 plus 85 minus, plus 2 minus means minus some current is there, that is I, into R means 5 into 10 to the power of minus 10 to the power of k. Kilo means 10 to the power of 3. Then plus 2 minus means minus 50 volts equal to 0 in this KVL loop. Okay, then finally, what about this I? This I is belonging to minimum now. Why? Because here I have considered 85 volts only. So doing some mathematical calculation, I minimum value equal to 85 minus 50, 35. So 5 sevens are, so 7 milliamperes. So I minimum equal to 7 milliamperes. There is one more expression is there. So if I want only IZ minimum. So first here I would like to calculate what is the IL. So IL is very, very easy. So VZ equal to how many volts? That is 50 volts. That is 50 volts. If I calculate across the load resistance, so VL equal to IL into RL. RL means here 10K. So finally, what about IL? IL equal to voltage. VL means 50 volts by this 50 volts by RL means 10 kilo ohms means 10 to the power of 3. Okay, so then 0 get cancelled. Then finally IL equal to 5 milliamperes current. Okay, here I minimum I have I have determined I minimum value and IL value. So this expression can be treated as a 1. So expression 1 can be extended to IZ minimum equal to I minimum minus IL. Okay, then what happened? This what is the I minimum value? That is 7 milliamperes. What about load current? That is 5 milliamperes. The resultant is 2 milliamperes for minimum voltage and minimum current. Now, if you go with the maximum voltage, so that should be, you have to write 125. This 15 is replaced with 125. I will write a direct equation. So what is the direct expression? Very, very simple. 125 minus, in this time I have write I max. 5 into 10 to the power of 3 is common, minus 50 is common, equal to 0. Okay, then doing all mathematical part, then I max equal to, what is the value? That should be around 125, 75, 5 15s are, so 15 milliamperes current is constitute if I applying 125 volts. Okay, once if you get the I maximum, there is a second expression is there, that one, this is second expression. So how we can write? So very, very second expression can be rewrite IZ, IZ max equal to I max minus IL. What about the I max? I max equal to 15 milliamperes. What is IL? IL as it is 5 milliamperes, then 15 minus 5, 10 milliamperes current is constitutes when maximum voltage is applied to across the G0 diode. Okay, keep watching. I will upload all the videos. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you so much.